To begin, make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Join the chain in the round with a slip stitch. Begin the first round. Make 1 chain stitch up and now single crochet in the round. We need to make as many single crochet stitches as we can. I will make about 10-14. I've made the first one. Let's continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is going to be the last one. To finish the round, make a slip stitch through the first single crochet in this round. Work the slip in front loop of the single crochet stitch. Now begin the next round. Chain 2 to raise the yarn and double crochet through the same stitch, through the same front loop of the first single crochet stitch. Here is this loop. The back loop is here, it's free. Continue chain 3. Now I'm going to make a complex stitch that is called upside down Y stitch. Yarn over the hook 2 times, insert the hook in front loop of the next stitch and pull up a loop through. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Continue, repeat the same. Yarn over your hook. Insert the hook in the front loop of the same stitch, pull up a loop through. You have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. 4 loops remain on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook 3 times to complete the upside down Y stitch. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 2 times, pull up a loop through the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop through the same front loop, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Upside down Y stitch is made. Continue the same till the end of this round. Remember, work in front loops of stitches. Work till the end of this round. I've almost finished this round. Still need to make one more complex stitch. Yarn over the hook 2 times, pull up a loop through the front loop of the last stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. 4 loops remain on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook 3 times to complete the upside down Y stitch. Now to finish the round, make a slip stitch through the top of our first upside down Y. This is a 3rd chain stitch that we made after a double crochet. Here is this. Make a slip stitch through, tight it up a little. Here we have a little cup. Our button is almost ready. What we need to do next is from the inside of our button, we need to find 3 back loops of single crochet stitches on our first round. Here they are. This is the back loop of the first stitch. So insert the hook through the next stitch. Then from the behind, insert the hook through the back loop. This is the back loop of the same stitch that this upside down Y stitch is coming out of. And work a single crochet through. Continue the same, insert the hook through the next stitch and then through the back loop of the single crochet stitch that is below. And work a single crochet stitch. Continue and work the same, insert the hook through the next stitch, then through the back loop and work a single crochet. Insert the hook through the next stitch and then through the back loop and single crochet through. Continue the same around. To complete the button, work till the end of this round. Let's make the last stitch together and finish the round. Insert the hook through the last stitch and then through the back loop and work a single crochet stitch. Now finish the round with a slip stitch made through the first single crochet. The button is ready. Here is the back, and from the front it looks like this. With the pins, I mark the places where you can stitch the button to the main cloth. Also, the center of this button you can decorate with a bead or another little button or a glass stone. As an idea, you can crochet the same button using the thread and add it to the center of this big one. The same little button made of variegated yarn. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy more free tutorials.